Are you tired of struggling with grime and dirt that just won't budge? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Westinghouse EPX 3500. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 caught my attention right away with its 2500 max SI and compact design, and it's priced at just $216.89. If you want a powerful yet portable washer that can tackle everything from cars to driveways, this is worth a serious look. With a water flow rate of 1.76 GPM, you're getting excellent coverage for those larger areas. Plus, the onboard soap tank allows for easy detergent application, making it ideal for heavy-duty cleaning on various surfaces like fences, patios, and vehicles. And let's not forget the 5-nozzle set. You have options for different cleaning tasks, ensuring you aren't left with just one choice. Now, some people complained about the hose length being a bit shorter than expected. Here's the thing though, for most home use, the 25-foot hose is generally sufficient, and you can always get a longer extension if needed. If you're doing extensive commercial work, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable and portable washer for home and light commercial use. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty model for large-scale industrial tasks. For the price, you're definitely getting significant value for your investment. Now, if the hose length on the EPX 3500 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a longer reach. Product number 2, Westinghouse EPX 3100. Next up is the Westinghouse EPX 3100, priced at $178.39. This unit caught my attention for its 2300 max SI and lightweight design, making it a great option if you want a solid washer without breaking the bank. You still have the onboard soap tank and 5 nozzles, so versatility is at your fingertips. It's designed to be compact and easy to move around at just under 20 pounds, which is perfect if you need to transport it for different jobs. And like the EPX 3500, it features an automatic shutoff pump to conserve energy and prolong its life. Now, some users mention that it can be a bit wobbly during use. But honestly, as long as you have a good grip on it, that's more of a minor annoyance than a deal breaker for residential cleaning. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still packs a punch. Skip this one if you need something with higher SI for commercial-grade tasks. For its price, you get a reliable unit that performs well without the heavy investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need extra cleaning power. Product number 3, LWQ Pressure Washer. The LWQ Pressure Washer is next on the list, and it's an interesting pick at $128.33. What stood out to me here is its maximum water flow rate of 2.5 GPM, which is impressive for the price. Here's why this matters for you. That 2.5 GPM flow means faster cleaning times, especially for larger surfaces. Plus, with 4 quick connect nozzles, you can customize the pressure for different tasks, whether it's washing your car or clearing out those stubborn patio stains. The included foam cannon is a nice bonus, allowing you to use detergents without clogging the pump, which is a common concern with some pressure washers. Now, there's a downside. Some users reported that the build quality feels a bit cheaper compared to others in the same category. But here's the thing, if you're on a budget and looking for an affordable tool for home use, this washer handles everyday cleaning tasks effectively. This is perfect for you if you need a cost-effective option that can handle light to moderate cleaning jobs. Skip this one if you're looking for industrial-grade strength or durability. For its price, it gives you surprisingly decent performance. If you liked the high GPM of the LWQ but want something with a bit more heft, this next model might be just right for you. Product number 4, Westinghouse WPXC. Now let's talk about the Westinghouse WPX 3000E, priced at $358.07. This model really caught my eye with its 3000 max SI, making it a beast for tough jobs. Here's why this matters for you. That 3000 SI is excellent for cleaning driveways, decks, and even siding, allowing you to tackle the grimiest surfaces with ease. The heavy-duty AC motor and 25-foot hose ensure durability and reliability, making it ideal for commercial use. Plus, it comes with 5 nozzles, which gives you versatility for different tasks from heavy-duty cleaning to light rinsing. Now, some users have mentioned that the unit is heavier than expected at 36.8 pounds. This is perfect for you if you need a top-tier washer for heavy-duty commercial work. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and portable. For the performance it delivers, the investment can be well worth it for professional-grade cleaning. Now, if you're looking for a solid option that's lightweight yet still has power, the next product might just be what you're after. Product number 5, Westinghouse EPX 3100V. Finally, we have the Westinghouse EPX 3100V coming in at $165.56. This model is intriguing because it combines a compact design with decent specs. Here's why this matters for you. With 2100 max SI and 1.76 GPM, it's perfect for most home cleaning tasks without being overkill. And like many Westinghouse models, it features the automatic shutoff pump for energy efficiency and extended life of the unit. However, some users pointed out that the pressure isn't as high as others in this range. But honestly, if you're just doing some weekend cleaning around the house, it's more than sufficient and can still handle most residential jobs with ease. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight and easy-to-use washer for everyday cleaning. Skip this one if you need the highest SI available for commercial projects. For its price point, it's a solid investment for residential users. So, if you're looking for a balance of performance and portability, the EPX 3100V is worth considering. To wrap this up, we've seen some fantastic options today. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 and EPX 3100 for budget-friendly power, the LWQ for incredible value, the WPX 3000E for heavy-duty performance, and the EPX 3100V for everyday convenience. On the other hand, you might want to avoid the LWQ if you're looking for something with a longer lifespan. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.